In this video, I will be going to install Visual Studio Code where I will be going to develop my application. Also, I will be going to install Python. First, what I will do, I will go to Google and type install Visual Studio Code. So I got this first link, download Visual Studio Code. I click on this. Here you see I will be going to download it for Windows 10 and 11. I click here. So it is started to download. Also what I will do, I will install Python. So I click here. There is a website python.org. I control click on it to open in different tab, and then I will go to downloads. When you click on download, you will get the latest version here. To download the exe file of Python, just click here as well. So it will also start getting downloaded. So here Visual Studio Code setup file is downloaded as well as Python is downloaded. Now I can install both of them. I will click this icon show in folder. I double click this VS Code user setup. I accept the license. I click next, next again, next again, next again, and install. So it is completed. It is asking launch the Visual Studio Code. I click finish. So it is launched here. Now what I will do, I will click on this Python exe file and install the Python. Make sure you check this option, add python.exe to path, and also let me close this Visual Studio because it may interrupt the installation. So I close the Visual Studio Code and now I click on install now. So it will also take some time to install. So setup is successful. Now I click close. Now I will go to start and type Visual Studio Code and open Visual Studio Code here. Now make sure you go to extension and in the extension type Python. You click on this Python and make sure this Python is installed because it supports IntelliSense, debugging, formatting, and many other features. So this is important to install. You can see a tick mark here. It means this is installed already in my machine. If it is not installed, here I'm getting uninstall option right now, but you will get the install option and you can click on install. So make sure this Python extension should be installed. Now what you can do, you can go to file and open a folder. I have a folder in D drive which is LangChain AI. Just click on this folder and select this folder. So if you go to the Explorer option, so this LangChain AI folder is selected. I close this extension option here and you can start writing your code here. So if I write here main.py, so py is the extension of Python, and here you can print hello world and just close this option also, and here there is a button to run the Python file. Just click on run and see you get the hello world as an output. It means your Python is successfully installed and it is properly running. So in this way you can install the Python and Visual Studio Code. Just make sure that in the extension option this Python extension should be installed because it will give you many features like IntelliSense. Like this is IntelliSense. Suppose I just write PR, so print is automatically appearing, and I will press tab to auto complete it. And now I put double quotes, So closing double quotes automatically appeared, and I type hi again. If I run it again, so you see this time I got two outputs.